Hey guys, I am back and today I'm going to be doing the first update to my Pan Those Eyeshadow Palettes project. I really second guessed myself and I just went and double checked my first video to make sure I was focusing on the right shades this month. I was, thankfully. So I am so excited to hop straight into the progress of my first palette that I'm going to be focusing on, which is my Tartelette in Bloom palette. So if you are new here, please go back and watch my introduction. I talk about my plans for this year, why I picked the palettes and rolled in the shades from this palette for the next 2 months as of right now. And if you're not new here, I'm going to quickly insert a picture of last month. And this is what my palette is looking like this month. So no new pans. I was focusing on the shades Rocker, Activist, and Rebel, which I will swatch out really quickly. So it's a taupey satiny shade, a deep gray brown shade, and then a warm toned brown shade. So I have been really enjoying these shades so far. As you can see, I don't have any new pans. The shade Rocker is getting a really deep dip. And then the shades Rebel and Activist are a little bit deep for me to use super heavily. So I don't know if I'll hit pan on them, but I have been really enjoying them and I'm hoping to kind of focus in on one area and see if I can hit pan, maybe really make a dip. I've been also using Charmer a lot and Sweetheart a lot in my looks, so I'm hoping that maybe I can get some bonus pans from those shades. Mostly I've been wearing 3 looks. Rocker on the lid with Jet Setter in the crease, Smarty pants all over the lid with a little bit of Activist on, like as a liner. Occasionally I'll smoke up my Rocker Jet Setter look with a little bit of Activist, but for every day I tend to just leave it to those two. And then I will do a little kind of like light warm tone smoky eye using Sweetheart all over the lid, like how I'm wearing Smarty pants today. And then Rebel kind of built up along my lower lash line and in my crease and on my upper and lower lash lines. So that's mostly how I've been using this palette. It's a really beautiful palette for every day. This is one of my favorite palettes. In case you didn't know, I had one of these. I lost it when I lost my whole makeup collection about almost like 4.5 years ago, and then I repurchased another one and have hit pan on these shades essentially twice. And so with all of that considered, I am really happy that I'm working on this palette right now. My goal is to hit pan on Rocker by next month. I think I can do it, and then I can roll in a new shade for the last month. Hopefully it's not one of these two, because if it is, that would be interesting. But yeah, so I'm hoping I can hit pan on Rocker. I think if I pull out kind of a nice padding shader brush and use it with Rocker, that will be the easiest way to hit pan. Right now I've been using my finger, but when I pick it up with my finger I don't pick up very much, and I do dip in a couple of times, so maybe a brush would be easier. But yeah, that is my goal. I'm hoping to make this palette look just a little bit more used and abused, and that is everything for this update. I have my goals and my update all done, so that really is it. I want to keep this short and sweet. If you like this idea, then please come back next month where I'm going to be updating you on this palette again. And if you enjoy this series or you enjoy project painting, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz so that you can see all of my projects, which I will have linked down below. And without further ado, that is everything that I have for you guys today. So I hope you're having an amazing, incredible day so far, and that I get to see you in a future video. Thanks, guys!